seeing as we can't work on Blondie right at the moment, and it's getting that time of year. It's springtime, the grass is growing, so we got to fix the lawnmower. The clutch, the PTO clutch in it, is shorting out and stalls out the lawnmower, draws all the power, shorts out, kills the lawnmower. So we got to put a PTO clutch in it. Now, I've never done this before on a John Deere, but I'm assuming we got to take side panels off and we got to get this front off because the PTO clutch is right on the front of the mower.
What does this bolt do?
It's the adjuster on the spring tensioner.
Oh.
So we got to get the belts off. So the clutch had to come off in pieces, and it's kind of pressed on there, kind of like a harmonic balancer. So we had to use a puller. We had to pull it off in 2 pieces without ruining anything, I think. Anyway, so Mara's cleaning that up. The new clutch is assembled and looks like it can go on in 1 piece.
What you doing?
Well, we need lots of equipment down here for the racetrack and things like that, put on a good show. So I always bring my disc down so they can tune up the pulling track beforehand and have it all tuned up for the pullers on Friday night.
Then what are we doing?
Well, then we got to go get a club member out of a mud hole.
Ah. We got Abby there. So we got the disc. Put that down.
All right, well, now we get to go on a rescue. What are you doing playing on a work weekend? It slid into the mud hole? Okay, okay. You want to go out backwards or you want to go forward? Huh? All right. All right.
you know.
That's all good. Thanks again. I appreciate it.
No problem.
That was a little bit tougher than I thought.
A little bit.
Oh, wait.
Well, that wasn't too bad. It was a little rough, but not too bad. All right, now with that done, the disc down there and the recovery made, we can get back to the lawnmower now, get the clutch on. All right, put your 4 bolts in on this back plate. Yeah, and don't forget to put this wire on.
Yep.
And this wire on.
Right.
Okay?
Yep.
Well, we got the clutch on and we adjusted it and tried it out without putting the mower all together with just the clutch on, and smoke started rolling out of it. She's no good, won't engage. So I guess we'll have to try and get it warrantied or something. Thanks for watching, BSF Recovery Team. Keep wheeling, be safe out there. Maybe we'll see you in the woods.